Things you shouldn't buy for your gaming setup, part 6. So Marvo's seen this video right here, and if you haven't seen it, you should go check it out. But whatever you do, don't buy the Black Widow V3. Instead, check out the Marvo Monka A87. This thing is absolutely fire. It comes with everything that a custom keyboard enthusiast could ever ask for. It's gasket mounted with an aluminum PCB plate, it's got PBT keycaps, mechanical, and linear switches, but that's not even the best part. The screen is the best part. It's a 75% keyboard with function keys, arrow keys, and your macros. It's lubed, gasket mounted, and it's also got foam padding behind the PCB, so there's no reason to tape mod this thing. You can find this in my bio for about 99 bucks, and it's highly recommended.